The last third and final process of memory is retrieval. So let's actually all do this demo. I want you all to do it. You don't need a pencil. You do not need a paper. If you do have those items out, set them down and set them aside. If you have your hands on keyboard, move them into your lap, sit back, relax, and just listen carefully. Hey, this is going to go fast, and it doesn't matter. I can't slow down, but it doesn't matter. Just listen carefully. Okay. Cat, picture, tire, chair, tree, house, car, rope, lamp, pants, boy, button, step, cup, bug. Okay, now I want you to either type or write down as many words as you can remember from that list. You get 1 minute to do that and go. I don't care about order. It's just as many words as you can remember. You have about 30 seconds left, as many as you can remember. Okay, time is up. And let's see how you did on this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post a poll up here that I want you to take just as quickly as you can. It's a poll of 3 questions, and here it is. You go ahead and do them as quickly as you can. In the meantime, I'm going to let people who are watching this recording and can't see this poll know what the 3 questions are. So the first one, is the word cat on the list of words you remembered? Number 2, is the word lamp on the list of words you remembered? And 3, is the word bug on the list of words you remembered? Looks like people are doing this really quickly, super well. Hey. All right. So it looks like most people are done. I'm going to end the poll and share the results with you. All right. So you can see the results. And for those who are watching the recording, know that the word that was remembered the most, hey, is the word cat. The next one that was remembered the next most was the word bug, right? And the one that was remembered worst of all is the word lamp. All right. So what we're getting at here, let me get rid of this pull for you so you can see our slide. So here we go. What we're getting at is that the retrieval of memory depends also on order, okay? So the order that material is presented. If a teacher is talking, usually remember the first things better than later things in the class, okay? In our list here, we saw that an example of what is one of the serial effects. So remember, serial means sequence or order, right? And there are 2 serial effects, primacy effects. That would be an example, would be the word cat, right? It came first on our list. And primacy effects, we tend to have better memory for the first things we learn. The reason for that is we have more time to rehearse them. Use this word cat as an example. You know, I don't remember what the second word was, but I'll make it up. Let's say when you were listening to me, you were probably thinking to yourself, cat, cat, cat. But then I said bug, and you're like, cat bug, cat bug, cat bug, bug. And you can only go so far, right? And think about it, even if you know, had time to do that between every word, which word would get the most rehearsal? Even with just cat and bug, cat, right? Gets the most rehearsal. So that is the reason why, right? Primacy effects occur because there's more time for rehearsal. And then recency effects, we tend to have better memory for last things that we learn. And the reason for that is very different. It's because we don't have any anterograde interference. We don't have anything to interfere coming afterwards, right? And there may even be some sensory echoing going on yet of that word bug by the time that poll came up. Okay, so this explains a class results really well for the three words, okay? Now, which of these two, primacy or recency effects, do you think is strongest? And I'll give you a hint. Your data on this demo really demonstrated this too. Not just serial effects, but which is stronger of the two. And you might remember that cat, right, had the best score for memory. So primacy tends to beat out recency. And the reason for that is that primacy effects come from more rehearsal. And rehearsal is the most important thing of getting way to get something into long-term memory, right? Hey, so you've got to do a lot of it, not just some, but a lot of it to get it into long-term memory sometimes. But that is the key for getting it in.